Rave, a Jurassic traffic meltdown. What this is, think of it as Nature Strikes Back. This is starting out with, basic driving, and then chaos envelops between potholes and the smog and everything else, and the car crashes. And then the glaciers start to melt, and then all of a sudden, a prehistoric beast is released. Basically, it's nature getting back at us to make things right. So I guess this is the glacier melting, perhaps. It's very pretty.
The prehistoric beast isn't Jackie Bam Bam, is it? Our beloved MMR mummer, Mr. Bam Bam. I believe he already came by earlier.
Oh, there's the beast. Wow. I got to get me one of those.
Looks awful like a pterodactyl, I think.
That's a lot of work putting that together. I love the icicle people.
The layers of costuming throughout the whole performance.
Yeah, I definitely dig the costume in this performance for sure. This is well done.
But I mean, how many people would you guess are in this contingent, Steve? I mean, 40 people, 50 people, plus all the helpers?
45 or so, 50. Yeah.
So just the amount of practice even to put this together is phenomenal.
Makes you think. Road Rave, a Jurassic traffic meltdown from Vaudevillains. Good job to Con and Melissa and Al and Marcus and everyone involved with Vaudevillains.
Check them out later. Next up.